Welcome friends in my new video where we are going to solve the questions of guarantee from question number 81 to 86. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 1. C is given a guarantee that his minimum share of profit in any given year would be at least rupees 5,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by A and B equally. Here it is given specifically equally. So we are going to just divide it equally. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 was 40,000. Past necessary journal entry in the books of the firm. Okay, so let us start. 81. We are going to divide journal entry, profit of journal entries. Inventories, date, particulars, LF, debit fees, credit fees. Date is given 31st March 2019. P&L application content. To A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account. Okay. The profit was 40,000 and that we are going to distribute in 5 to 4 to 1. That will be 4,000, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Okay, being profit distributed in 5 to 4 to 1 among the partners. Okay. Now, if you see, the guarantee was given of 5,000, but he received only 4,000. There is a deficiency of 1,000 that A and B are going to give to C. So the entry will be A's capital account debit. Whenever a person gives, his account will be debited. B's capital account debit to C's capital account. 1,000 efficiency amount they are going to be equally. So it will be 500, 500 being deficiency amount shared equally by A and B. This is question number 81. Now we move to question number 82. Question number 82. Vikas and Vivek were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st April 2018, they admitted Vandana as a new partner for 1/8 share in the profit with a guaranteed profit of 1,50,000. New profit sharing ratio between Vikas and Vivek will remain same, but they decided to clear any deficiency on account of guarantee to Vandana in the ratio of 3:2. Profit of the firm for the year ending 31st March 2019 was 9 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account of Vikas, Vivek and Vandana for the year ending 31st March 2019. Okay, let us start. 82. It is very easy actually. question previously, we have seen those things. It is same like that. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. The profit given was net profit brought down 9 lakh rupees. Okay, and the share is given. So we are going to close this account to find out the eligible profit. It will be same as 9 lakh. 9 lakh. Now we are going to distribute this 9 lakh in partners capital account. Because Vivek and Vandana. Now let us start. Vandana will receive 1/8 share. 1/8 share. So of 9 lakh, we are going to find out first 1/8 share. Okay, so it will be 8/8. Then it will remain 10. Again 8/8. It will remain 20. 8 2s are 16. Remains 4. 8 5s are 40. 2 0. So it is going to be 1,12,500 in the favor of Vandana, and remaining share will be distributed in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so how much it remains? It will remain 787,500. So we are going to divide by 5. 5 is a 5, 2. 5 is a 25, 3. 5 7 is a 35, 2. 5 is. So 157,500, 3 lakh. 1450. So it will be 3,50,000. Okay, and the price of that 45, so it will be 21. So 472,500. I think it is right. Let us check. 4 3 7 8 8 80 90 9 lakh. Okay, so it is right. Now we move to, there is a deficit of 37,500, so that it will be 1,50,000. Okay, there is a deficit of 37,500, which they are going to give in the ratio of, again same. So it will be 5 7s are 5s are 7,500. So it will be 15,000, and it will be 22,500 in this case. Okay, so 3:2, they are going to give the deficiency. So it is going to be 4,50,000, and it is going to be 3 lakh. Okay, we have distributed the amount in the given ratio. The deficit amount 37,500 we have distributed in 3:2. Okay, now we move to question number 83. Pranshu and Himanshu were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. They admitted Anshu as partner with 1/6 share in the profit of the firm. Pranshu personally guaranteed that Anshu's share of profit would not be less than 30,000 in any year. The profit for the firm year ended 31st March 2013 was 90,000. Okay, so let us prepare P&L appropriation account for the same. 3. Right. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st/3/19, particular rupees, particular rupees. Now let us start. The net profit given at the was 90,000. Now we are going to distribute in between the partners capital account. Profit we are going to use 90,000. 90,000. Partners are Pranshu, Himanshu, and Anshu. Anshu is admitted for 1/6 share. So 1/6 of 90,000. 6 ones are 6, and 15 6s are 90. So 15,000 Anshu is going to receive. Then remains 75,000. 75,000 will be distributed in 3:2, that is 5. So 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 45. 15 2s are 30,000. Okay. So remaining 75,000 is distributed in 3:2. Now it is said that Pranshu personally guaranteed that Anshu's share of profit will not be less than 30,000. So we are going to add 15,000 to Anshu so that he will get 30,000. As Pranshu has given the guarantee, the deficit amount we are going to deduct from Pranshu, and it will be 30,000. There is no deduction, so it will be 30,000. Okay. Now this is question number 83. Now we move to question number 84. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. They earned a profit of 30,000 during the year ending 31st March 2019. Distribute profit among A, B and C if C's share of profit is guaranteed to be 6,000 minimum. Case B, minimum profit payable to C amounted to 6,000 is guaranteed by A. Guaranteed, case C, guaranteed minimum profit of 6,000 payable to C is guaranteed by B. Next, D, any deficiency after making payment of guaranteed 6,000 will be borne by A and B in the ratio of 3:1. There are 4 cases, and for that we are going to prepare P&L appropriation. Okay. Now, question number 84, case A. The profit given is 30,000, and it is said that C's share of guarantee to be borne is 6,000. Okay, C is given a guarantee of 6,000. We are going to close it. 30,000 The question is same, but there are different cases A, B, C. Okay, it is given ratio 3:2 is 6, 5 are 30. So it is 5,000, 10,000 and 15,000 respectively. As who is going to bear the guarantee is not given. So the deficiency amount is 1,000, then only he will get 6,000. This deficiency amount A and B is going to bear in the ratio 3:2 because their old ratio is 3:2. One will not be counted. We are going to take it as 3:2. Now 1,000 will be divided into 3:2. That means 600, 400. Then it will be 14,400, 9,600 and 6,000 in case A, because who is going to bear this deficiency is not given. That means remaining partners in their old ratio they are going to bear. Okay. Now we say case B, minimum profit payable to C amounted to 6,000 is guaranteed by A. Okay. So A is given guarantee. That means in the case B, this is same, just I am going to change it here. In the case B, the deficiency amount 1,000, A is paying. That means it will be 14,000. There is nothing should be paid by B. That means his amount will be 10,000 and C as it is 6,000. Okay. Now we move to case number C where B is going to bear the deficiency amount. In that case, A is not going to pay anything. Okay, but B is going to pay the deficiency amount. So in case C, A is not paying anything, but the deficiency amount is borne by B. So it will be 9,000 in this case. Is it okay? Now in the case D, it is saying the deficiency amount was borne by A and B in 3:1. In that case, both are bearing something, but the ratio is not 3:2. Now the ratio has changed. Okay, that is 3:1 because specific ratio for deficiency is given. Okay, so it will be 750, 250. That means 14,250 and 9,750. Okay, this is the end of the question number 84. Now we move to question number 85. A and B are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C, their manager, as a partner with effect from 1st April 2018 for 1/4 share of profits. C, while the manager was in receipt of a salary 27,000 per annum and a commission of 10% of net profit after charging such salary and commission. In terms of partnership deal, any excess amount which C will be entitled to receive as a partner over the amount which would have been due to him if he continues to be the manager would have to be personally borne by A out of his share of profit. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounted to 2,25,000. You are required to show profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So let us prepare profit and loss appropriation account. We are going to calculate C's share as a manager, and that I am going to write here in partners capital to partners capital account A, B, C. This same type of question we have done in past adjustment also. So you know that very well how we have done. So 27,000 he was receiving as that amount from 225. 27 gone, that means it will be 1,98,000 and this will be 18,000. The commission will be 18,000. So 27 plus 18, 45,000 will be the share of C. In this case, 45,000 will be the share of C. After deducting salary and commission, C is going to receive commission on the net profit after deducting salary and commission. That's why I have deducted from 225, 27,000 is salary, and after that we got 1,98,000. On that we have calculated by taking formula of after charging commission formula. Okay, that is 10 by 110. So we got 45,000. Now I am going to close it. 2,25,000. 2,25,000. It is 2,25,000. Out of that, 45 gone. So it remains 1,80,000, and the ratio between both is 3:2. So 180 means 180 divided by 5. 5 3 is 15. 3 remains. 5 6 is 30. 36,000. 36 is 72 and 90,108. Okay, so it is 72 for 1/8, 72 and 45. The guarantee given to C was, we have to find out the amount of profit C is going to receive. So his share was 220, 1/4 of 2,25,000. So it will be 5 are 20, 6 are 24, 2 are 8, 5 are 20, 56 to 50. That means 11,250 is the deficit amount he is going to receive. That means 56 to 50 is guaranteed amount. Now that deficiency amount will be borne by the personally borne by A. So A is going to pay 11,250. That means 750 will be 12, 18, that means 9, 96, 750. B is not going to pay anything, 72,000, and C is going to receive 56 to 50. Okay, this is the end of question number 85. Now we move to question number 86. Asghar, Chaman and Dolu are partners in a firm. Their capital accounts stood at 6 lakh, 5 lakh and 4 lakh respectively on 1st April 2017. They share profit and losses in the proportion of 4:2:3. Partners are entitled to interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and salary to Chaman and Dolu at the rate 7,000 per month and 10,000 per quarter respectively as per the provisions of partnership deed. Dolu's share of profit, excluding interest on capital but including salary, is guaranteed at a minimum of 1,10,000 per annum. Any deficiency amount arising on that account shall be met by Asghar. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 amounted to 4,24,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Question number 86. P&L application. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 19, sorry, it is 18, particulars rupees, particulars rupees. The net profit given is The profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 is 4,24. Okay. Now let us start the question. It is a interest on capital rate for 8% per annum. Okay. So to interest on capital Asghar, Chaman and Dholu. So 8% will be 8 6 48,000. 8 5 40 and 8 4 32. So it is 80 120 1,20,000. Then it is said to partner's salary two partners are receiving the salary. Chaman and Dholu. Chaman is receiving 7,000 per month, while some are 86, 84, and 10,000 per quarter, that means 40,000. So it will be like 24,000. Okay. Now we are going to close the things to find out the deficiency amount. It is 4,24. So 24, 3 lakh. Out of that 1,80,000 million. Two partners, capital group, Asghar, Chaman and Dholu. The ratio given to us is 4:2:3, that it means 9. 9 to the 18, it will be 80,000, 40,000, 60,000. The guarantee is given to Dholu, excluding interest on capital. So interest on capital will not be counted, but including salary. Salary is 40,000. Out of 1,10,000, 40,000 gone. That means guaranteed amount is of profit is 70. So we require more 10,000 here in his account, and that amount will be borne by Asghar. So it will be 70,000 in Asghar. Chaman is not doing anything, not giving anything, and that's why his share will remain same. Okay, so you should remember that it is say including salary. Salary 70 plus 40 equals to 1,10,000. This is very important. The sentence you should pick up properly. If you are not taking the sentence properly, then it will be difficult for you to understand the things. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please comment, share your views. Okay. Please like my video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.